How to create a dramatic linear design in Photoshop CC 221 and earlier, PC and Mac. Go to the gradient tool and find that in the tools panel. Go up to the top and select a gradient, maybe one of the more colourful gradients just along here. Just simply go and select and import gradients if you haven't got any. Once you've done that, simply go to linear and set the mode to difference. Hold down the shift and you can simply drag across the design and you can see you've got your first gradient there. But you can make it much more complex with the difference option. So just apply at different positions, start points, and release to create different gradient designs. Once you've got your design there, what you can do, you can apply maybe colour effects. Simply just go to Image, Adjustments, maybe apply some hue and saturation, colour balance, etc. Or just use what you've currently got. Now go over here to the Tools and go down to the Single Row Marquee tool. Now if you haven't got that, you can find it in your Extra section. Just go down here, there's 3 dots, select that and just look for it here. Once you've found it, or maybe just go to Edit Toolbar to make certain you've got it. Now with that, simply just click the document there, anywhere, doesn't matter, and it will just create a quick line across the image. Then you can go to Edit and down to Define Pattern. Now, obviously give it a name, click OK. You can go to Layer and then go to New Fill Layer and Pattern. Click OK there and you've got your design. Well, actually it probably is not, it's probably the first pattern. This is the trouble with Photoshop. What you need to do is select the one you've just created, which is probably going to be fairly similar. So what you can then do is you've got scale there. So scale, you can just go over there to scale and you can say you set it to 10. And now what happens is you get a repeat effect, something that I think should be in the gradient feature. You should be able to repeat multiple gradients. However, you can't. But this is a workaround, very quick workaround. Just quickly create a pattern and just create the design, set it to 10 or maybe go to 5. And you can see you can get a repeat design of your gradient. Also, what you can do, you can change the angle. Now this doesn't work obviously if you want a radial design, fortunately, but it's still for linear, you can use it that way. So click OK there and you've got your design there. Once you're happy with that, what you can do, just flatten it. And then you can flatten it and just use it with various filters. So go to Filters, maybe Distort, apply a Twirl, etc. Click OK. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. A dislike or like, always appreciated. Thank you much.